How to pay for Peacock TV outside the US. Welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to pay for Peacock TV if you're located outside the United States. Peacock offers various subscription plans, but payment methods can be tricky for international users. Don't worry, I'll guide you through the steps. Let's get started. First, if you haven't already, connect to a VPN. A VPN will help you access Peacock TV by masking your IP address and making it look like you're browsing from the US. So open your VPN app and connect to a server in the United States. Next, visit the Peacock TV website or open the app. If you already have an account, log in. If you don't, click on the sign up to create a new account. Remember to use a valid email address. Once you're logged in, browse the available subscription plans, and Peacock offers both free and premium options. Select the plan you want and click on continue to proceed to the payment section. Here is where it gets a bit tricky. Peacock typically requires a US payment method, such as a credit card or PayPal account registered in the US. If you don't have one, consider using a virtual credit card, the service that allows you to generate a US card number. Services like Revolut or Wise can help with this. After entering your payment details, review your order and click Submit to complete the transaction. If successful, you'll receive a confirmation email and you can start enjoying Peacock TV content right away. And that's it. Now you know how to pay for Peacock TV while outside the US. With these simple steps and using those tools, you can enjoy all the great content Peacock has to offer. Thanks for watching.